Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through the most trendy collection of Kubera softy soft silk sarees. The material used is very soft, light in weight and easy to carry. And about the design, beautiful zari woven patterns are running all over the body along with running symmetrical borders and a rich pallu, also a running blouse. As you are seeing, beautiful color shades are available in these collections. And these beautiful collections you are getting in a price of 1300 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Other states also the shipping charges be very less, minimum 20, maximum up to 40 depending on the distance. About the maintenance, all these sarees are dry wash or mild shampoo wash only. And for making orders, DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. The links be there in the description. Please avoid making direct calls. Do share any kind of your queries through the given WhatsApp number only. And please note, for now our payment mode is through only online. You can either directly transfer to our account or you can do any kind of UPI transactions. And also if you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. The links be there in the description. We are having separate WhatsApp group for cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. If you like the video, please like, share and comment. Subscribe our channel for more updated trendy collections. Thank you for watching.